Hi there. Thanks so much for installing the PurposeTab extension, your Clarity and Focus dashboard on every new tab. And I want to just walk you through the basic features of how everything works so you can quickly get up and running. So after you hit the install button up in the top right, um, you're going to just get started by opening a new tab, and it's going to appear right here. And from here, the first thing that you want to do is select up to 4 photos. You select one at a time, and you can select up to 4 individually that represent, they're images that represent your goals or things you're excited about or things you're working towards. So you can either upload them directly by adding images, or you can browse great free stock photo sites like Unsplash or Pexels. So they have large libraries you can search and use for free. In this case, I'm just going to quickly add some images that I think could be good representations of popular goals. And so here, I'm just going to go ahead and add these. Keep pressing this plus here to add them. And if you hover over in the top right corner, you can hit the trash. So I think these goals are pretty representative of what a lot of users might have. So here in the settings, you can toggle if you want it to be a slider showing one image at a time with arrows that actually auto rotate every few seconds, or the grid. And then from here, you can hover over an image and actually add a title to it and make it a by date. So I think these are pretty good examples of what a typical person might have as a goal. So here, find a great group living arrangement. And then here you can do a by date. So September 1st, 2019. Here you can do visit Bali with friends. You can say October 15th, 2019. Here, this may be a common goal is, finding a meaningful relationship or develop a meaningful relationship by, say, August 26th, 2019. And lastly, a common one might be a hobby such as salsa dancing. So take 3 salsa lessons. Well, let's just say start salsa lessons by December 12th, 2019. And so here you have these titles and their by dates on each image. And so the next part here is a daily focus or mantra or intention. So one good example might be assume everyone means no harm. And so this daily focus or intention can be set and automatically clears at 12 a.m. Local user time, wherever you are. Here are some daily habits that you can quickly add that once you add them, they stay, but they automatically uncheck also at 12 a.m. Local user time as well. So let's say green smoothie, enter, sweat, exercise, text 3 friends in the morning, gratitude journal, meditate. So I think these are some pretty good common habits that people might have. And then a to-do list, it could be something like send client proposals, iron dress clothes, meal prep for week. So pretty basic stuff. All of this is designed to be super minimalist. We're looking to build out further features to accommodate these things. But we think right now a lot of people appreciate the minimalism here. The to-do lists are checked, and you can check them and delete them, but they don't automatically clear. And you click this little notepad icon, and here you can save notes that go with you as well. And they don't auto clear, you delete them or change them however you like. And then you have a bookmarks tab. So I added some of these bookmarks. So you can just quickly add like Twitter, for example, in case, let's say, you have a job that requires you to go on Twitter. Obviously, this is supposed to be a minimalist, essential bookmarks folder. So don't go to sites that are distractions, right? So you just type in Twitter, twitter.com, and then here you can click it and it'll open in a new tab, and then here you could hover and delete it. So a very minimalist bookmarks bar. And you just turn on the view the bookmarks by toggling this little icon, or view the notes by toggling here. And lastly is the settings. So you click into this Google Doc right here on how to use PurposeTab. There's some more information here to access. And if you have feedback, please click this link, general feedback, inquiries, or report a bug. It's just a simple form. And here, we have a public roadmap where people can submit requests and vote on new features. And we're really excited about this because you can click into different things and say and vote on how important it is to you. And if it's not important, obviously, please don't vote. But if a feature is important, we want people to be able to vote on it and say how important it is to them so that we can prioritize these features. So we have a lot of great things coming up down the pipeline, and would love to know what to prioritize with our resources. And then lastly, this little link at the bottom here, if you like PurposeTab, just clicking in here, and it'll link you back to the page, the Chrome Web Store page for PurposeTab. And if you ever want to quickly share it with friends, we would greatly appreciate that. And just tell them to go to PurposeTab.com, all one word, spelled normally, purpose and tab, and that will automatically redirect them to the install page for the Chrome extension. And a few quick notes about Chrome extensions is they're designed to only work on on a desktop or a laptop computer. They're not currently allowed to, they don't work on mobile phones. Just apps would work on mobile phones, and that's quite a ways. And that's the basic rundown of this extension. Also, everything is stored locally on your machine. So if you have PurposeTab installed on multiple computers, currently things don't sync in between. We think most people have just one computer that they primarily use, and this would be useful for. But down the road, we're trying to figure out some syncing, whether it's with everything but the images or also including the images as well. So that's definitely on our radar. But the good thing about it being stored locally on your machine is that you don't need the internet or internet access to actually use it or make changes or what have you. So there are some perks, and also from a privacy perspective. So that's really the quick rundown of how PurposeTab works. And in general, the overall thought behind it is on every new tab, you gain clarity on what you're supposed to do, being the daily habits and the to-do list and the daily mantra and the notes and the bookmarks, things like that. And it's tied directly to visual representations of the goals that you have. So you don't have to think about checking multiple apps. You can quickly see how your goals and your actions and your habits and everything is all integrated together, and how they, the action items support those larger goals. And you can visualize them, and hopefully that makes it easier for you to achieve them, and is one less thing that you have to monitor and check across all these different apps and websites and things like that. So just a great minimalist way to keep you organized and always keep these things top of mind. So thanks so much, and looking forward to your feedback. And if you like this extension, once again, please go to the settings and click here to give us a 5-star rating on PurposeTab. And like I said, for feedback or upvoting features or submitting them on your own, you can click in here and click on one of the ideas and upvote or submit an idea here. So thanks so much, and we hope you enjoy, and we're looking forward to continue to building this extension.